Welcome to our YouTube channel, Code and Chunks. So in the last session, we discussed about the advanced Python last topic, that was the decorator, how you can use that and how you can call a function that is existing inside a function. So we discussed those things. Now today, we are going to start about the data analysis part related to the Python. So first thing that mostly use the important library, that is Numpy. So NumPy we will see in the deep learning also. NumPy is a very popular and very useful library for a data scientist or for the AI, for machine learning. Okay, and if you are you are generating a photos and you are working with images, so I will show you that example also, how you can work with NumPy, how we can use that in a deep learning. Okay, so in a Google Colab, we the Colab already installed the NumPy, so you do not need to install that. But if you are working on a Visual Studio, so what you can do, you can just use pip command, pip install NumPy. Okay, just you need to execute that in the session, like your NumPy will be installed. Now in the Colab, if I have already installed that, then I will not install that again. So now what I need to use import NumPy, and it will connect. Till that, what I can what I will do in a NumPy. In a NumPy, I will create an array. Okay, and what is array? Array is a collection of some multiple values in a one variable. Okay, so then we have list. Then why we are reading NumPy array? So this is also people confuse. This is the most asked question. Uh, we provide the personal training also, in which people ask these questions personally. Like if I already have list, then why I am using a NumPy array? So a NumPy array is created in a C or C++ languages, that is lightweighted languages, and it's work faster compared to the Python list. Okay, so what I will do, I will create array. How you can create that? And if you have import NumPy, so what you can do, you can give a name as NP, that commonly use NP for NumPy. So I'm just importing that again. It's import successfully. If I will put dot here, you can see I got lots of method. And to create a array, what I need to use this method array. And in this method, I will create an array. Okay, I will provide some value like 10, 20, 30, 40, 15, 16, 17, 18, 90, and last value is 100. Okay, so I will store that in one variable and you will run that. Okay, now if I will print ARR1, so you can see it's a one dimension array. Okay, if I want to create a multi-dimension array, so what is multi-dimension array? So I need to put those bracket. Okay, so this is multi-dimension array. How you can check that? We have one keyword here, that is shape. So if you will use that, the shape you will got here 1 and 10, means I have one dimension array in which I have 10 values. So if I will create a multi-dimension array, okay, and this is my multi-dimension array, and maybe what I can do, I can separate those value also. Okay, and I will put a opening bracket here. So what I'm doing here, this is a one array, and this is a second array. By the one dimension array, I have created that combined, and you can see two dimension array. Okay, so this is two dimension array. Again, I will run that. Oh, I need to run this also. Okay, and if you will see the output, so you can see now this is a two dimension array. Okay, And in each array, like I have 5 value, so you can see like that. And if you will create one more array, and if you will suppose give 110 here, and if you will try to create that, so this is error. Okay, why it's error? Because here you do not have 5 value. So if you will put the 5 value, okay, now this will create easily. Okay, so this work fine. So now you cannot just like your element should be same. Okay, in the short. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. So your element should be same in every array. Okay, now suppose I have a array that is a single dimension array. I will create a single dimension array again. Okay, now what I will do, I will reshape that. What is reshape? Dot reshape. Okay, what is reshape? Reshape basically how many array I want to create. Like I want to create suppose 2-dimension array, and each array I will have 5 element. Okay, so if I will run this, and I will run this also, you can see now this is I have created a single dimension array, but here what I did here, I have created multi-dimension, means 2-dimension array. In first dimension I have 5, and second dimension I have 5. So 2 means 2 dimensions, 5 means in the each array I have 5 element. Okay, so this is like how you can use reshape. And if like I will use 4 here, so you will got error, like this will give you error. Why? Because it's have 10 element, and if you will create 2 dimension, and each dimension if you have 4 element, then what it will do with these remaining 2 elements. Okay, so you need to occupy the full elements. Okay, so here again the 5, and suppose now I want to create 10 array. Okay, so this is like how you can see I have created 10 dimensions. Okay, and here like you can see this is like one, and each I have one element. Okay, so this is like how you can create and how you can reshape that array. And if you want to use some more, so like we have type also. Mm, or I should use like that, maybe type ARR1. Okay, so this is a numpy array. Okay, so this is how you can see the type. Okay, now like if you will use ARR1, so there is lots of method that you can see. I will not discuss that in one class. Okay, I will discuss that like we will see multiple session on that, because this is a important topic that is a numpy. Okay, so if you want dimension, so you can run that. Okay, so this is now for 1 dimension, so I got 1. And if I will write n, and suppose you want bytes or like that, so okay, so it's a 80 byte, total size is 80 byte. Okay, so you can understand like that, each like I have 8 byte. Okay, 8 byte in each. So I have 10 elements, so total is 80 byte. Okay, so this is a size. Okay, so this is related to the first session, and this is a basic thing. Okay, and now like if you want to like more thing related to the numpy, so like the video and subscribe the channel, and like we will upload the continue series for 2 or 3 days for the numpy. Then we will see like Metaplot, Panda, okay, Cbond, every library we will see. And this is a dedicated course for the data science. Okay, if you want to become a data scientist, so we will upload some videos, and those videos are not like too much long. Okay, so I'm creating short videos. If you are regularly watching that, so you can prepare that for a data scientist. Okay, yeah, thank you for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel.